Definitely give some space. And snow is not the only precipitation we're tracking. Freezing rain will be possible as well. Meteorologist Chris Michaels shows us how that is calculated into the forecast and whether or not power outages are a concern.
Freezing rain totals, when they get up to about 1/4 of an inch, that's when power outages start to become more likely and more widespread, because that adds more weight to the power lines, right? But we're not necessarily looking at that. And one of the ways that we can forecast freezing rain is by looking at how much liquid equivalent would fall. So for every 1 inch of rain, that's equivalent to about 10 inches of snow, but it's equivalent to about 3/10 of an inch of ice. When we look at the latest data, the storm track, the speed, everything like that, the amount of liquid precipitation would be equal to about 0.3 to 0.5 inches. So if it were all snow, which it's not going to be, it would be 3 to 5 inches. If it were all ice, that would amount to about 9/100 of an inch to 15/100 of an inch. So it's likely that we stay below that critical threshold of 1/4 of an inch. In fact, when you look at most of the forecast models, they show about 1/10 of an inch of ice or less. That's still going to be impactful, especially to roads, but in terms of widespread and long-lasting power outages, that does not look likely. That's just one of the questions that we've gotten. We're fielding a lot of questions and answering them as we go along on WRAL.com. Just go to our website, search Q&A, and it'll be the first article you find.
And you can count on WRAL to keep you informed as this winter storm approaches. Our team of meteorologists will be keeping a close eye on every development throughout every day leading up. And you can look for updates during our newscasts on WRAL News Plus all the time and online or in our WRAL News app.